Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how we season our fish Senegalese style. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just using two porgies here. They have been cleaned and washed properly. You can get them gutted already, and I'm just sort of making slits there where we're actually gonna put all of our seasonings and everything. So just make those nice little slits. They don't have to be perfectly even, but we're gonna do them front and back. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and set that aside. We're not going to work on our seasoning. So I just have a jalapeno split in half in my food processor. And now I'm adding some minced garlic. And next I'm going to add some parsley. I am using a whole bunch of parsley. Okay, so now I'm just adding some Creole seasoning and just putting a good bit amount in there. And then I'm also going to add some Worcestershire sauce. That's just something that I like to add in there for more flavor. And next I'm going to add some black peppercorns in there. And now I'm adding some fresh Dijon mustard. Make sure you get a really good brand that you like. Again, so get a good brand of Dijon mustard, and I'm gonna finish it all off with some cayenne pepper and a capful of white vinegar. Okay, and now I'm back to my fish, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt on my fish. I like for the skin to be nice and flavorful, and I'm also gonna get in those cavities because you want to make sure all parts of your fish is like really nice and flavorful. Okay, and now I'm gonna start putting my seasonings in there from the food processor. So I'm just using a small spoon and making sure that I get all around and in between the slits that I made, just to make sure all the flavor stays in the fish. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this front and back, side to side, cover as much as I can with the seasoning. Okay, so now that your fish is ready, you're just gonna go ahead and cut up some onions, and you can cut them up whichever size you want or whichever way you want. I'm just gonna sort of slice up some onions and put that in with my fish, and we're gonna let this marinate overnight or even for a couple hours. The longer you let this mixture sit on your fish, the more flavorful your fish is. And this makes for a great filet, which is also called a Senegalese fish fry, or you can grill this fish also and it will taste just as delicious. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.